Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to compare the Cars 1 and Cars 3 variants of Ralph Carlow. Number 17, Ralph Carlow's little brother, a famous Hollywood actor, Jordan Carlow. The two brothers had little respect for what the other did for a living, but when Jordan got a role playing a race car in the film, Racing Hearts, he was forced by the studio to spend time shadowing his brother Ralph. After 2 long months of research, Jordan came away with the new respect for how hard racing really is, and after seeing his brother's performance in the film, Ralph gained a new respect for acting. Since then, Jordan never misses a race, and Ralph never misses a premiere. Now, let's see here. Let's see. Here's my make and model is one Cars is a Brawny Motor Co Spark GT, and Cars 3 is a Capital Motors Mark II. And as colours stay pretty much the same, or colour scheme, since they both have blue, red, white, and yellow. And his eye colour is teal in both of the movies, but for some reason it's brown in the Cars 3 diecast. Let's see. Yeah, let us get to the actual comparing of them now, which is probably what you all came here for. So, as you're probably able to tell, the paint on Cars 3 now is much lighter, and again on Cars 3 now, you can see it's a darker blue, but it fades into a lighter blue, which is nice, and the little piston mask on the Cars 3 one is more realistic, isn't it? But yeah, internal design, it stayed fairly similar in way that they're both blue, they've got a little piston mascot, they've got a red stripe going along the top. Let's have a look at the sides, see how that's changed. Both red rims. Yeah, well, the white on Cars 1, Ralph, is much thicker. You can barely see it on the Cars 3 one. Maybe Pixar get the white with the blue on the Cars 3 one. But still, the backs. Well, there's no red on the Cars 3 one. But there is more damage on the Cars 3 one, but that's because I got it from our shop. Loose, obviously. And let's see, Cars 3 got 3 of those little bars on spoiler, while Cars 1 has only got 4. Now, window bars, yes. Cars 1, Ralph, has only, well, they've both got 3 window bars. But the ones on the Cars 3, Ralph, are much closer together in name. Let's see what else is there. Yeah, I think it's pretty much just to say. See you next video. Goodbye, my precious eagle.